Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make Moroccan cooked salad, also known as Matbucha. Starting off, you're going to want a lot of tomatoes. I'm using 16 small, or use 8 large. Garlic, as much as you can handle. Half a cup of olive oil. Bell peppers. I'm using 2 green, 2 red, you can use all reds. 1 green chili. 1 tablespoon of sweet paprika, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of cumin, and some salt to taste. Start off by charring the peppers, all of them. You can stick them in the oven till they go black around the edges. Then we need to let them sweat so that they can peel off easily. I'm just sticking them in a bag as the lid wouldn't fit, and I'm moving on to the tomatoes. I'm going to do a cross on the base, and I'm going to dunk them into hot water and bring them to the boil. And just like magic, they will peel themselves, as you can clearly see. I'm going to drop those into cold water just so I can handle them. I'm just going to get rid of all the skins. I'm going to finely chop the tomatoes. Move on to the peppers, I'm removing the skin. And to be honest, you can do this any way you wish. I'm just doing a mix of textures here. So the reds, I'm cutting into small cubes. The chili, I'm doing into rings. And the green, I'm cutting into strips.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
Now let's get cooking. Start off by adding the olive oil and the paprika. Give it a stir until you can see it starts bubbling up. Next, add in the garlic. Give those a good stir till all the flavors are infused. Try not to choke on the fumes. Add in the chili. Go in with the cumin and the salt. You can also go in with the sugar at this stage, doesn't really matter. I'm starting off with the red peppers. And there goes the sugar. In with the green. Just keep stirring because you don't want anything to burn at this stage. And finally the tomatoes. The key here is to boil this down until you get a nice concentrate. Lower the flame. Now you're looking at least an hour and a half of cooking on this. What you want to do, you want to be able to split it down the middle until you can see that it's in no rush to rejoin. And there you go, folks. Usually you'd have this with a challah bread. I decided to go with pitta because it's also fine. And let me tell you, this is absolutely delicious. If you want a quick hack on this, stick the roasted peppers and whole tomatoes into a mixer, get them finely chopped like that, and then just stick them on the gas. That's also good. And also this makes an excellent base for shakshuka. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget, leave a like, leave a comment, and a subscribe goes a very long way, particularly if you like vegan food from all around the world. Ciao for now. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.